Welcome to Conscious Mind Short Meditation, where your mind will be guided to immerse itself in the infinite flow of the universe's energy. I am Jordi, your companion on this meditation journey. Our goal is to help you deeply relax. Open your heart to embrace prosperity, peace, and success that the universe is always ready to offer. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie comfortably without interruptions. Gently close your eyes, let your body relax, and begin to breathe deeply. Feel the fresh air flowing into every corner of your body as you inhale. Then slowly exhale, releasing all the tension, worries, and fatigue of the day. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calmness. Let each breath take you closer to a state of inner stillness. Feel your body begin to relax, with every muscle gently loosening. Let your mind become like a calm lake, free from ripples, ready to receive the flow of positive energy. This is the moment to let go of all burdens, forget your worries, and fully focus on yourself. As your breathing becomes slow and steady, feel the sense of safety surrounding you, as if you are being protected by the universe. Allow yourself to rest, reconnect with your inner strength, and prepare for a journey to explore the boundless abundance that awaits you. As your body and mind reach a state of complete relaxation, begin to visualize a vast cosmic space unfolding before you. It is a serene and infinite place where stars shimmer and galaxies spin gently like a symphony of light. You are floating weightlessly in this space, feeling lightness and freedom enveloping your body. Let your mind merge with this magical scene. Each star around you emits a unique glow, softly welcoming you. Despite being millions of light years away, their light touches you, wrapping you in a veil of tranquility and safety. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where only the present exists, and you are fully connected to the vast universe. At the center of this space, a radiant golden light begins to emerge. This light is more than just illumination. It is the embodiment of infinite abundance, rays of light spread from its core, warm and gentle, yet deeply magnetic, as if calling you closer. Imagine yourself slowly moving toward this golden light, like a natural reunion between you and the energy of the universe. As you draw nearer, feel its warmth spreading throughout your body. The light surrounds you, penetrating every cell, bringing healing, cleansing, and an unparalleled sense of wholeness. This is the moment you begin to deeply connect with the energy of prosperity and peace. Visualize this radiant golden light continuing to flow through your entire body, touching each part gently and soothingly. This light feels like a serene current, seeping into every cell, dissolving tension, and bringing profound peace. You can feel the light starting from the lower part of your body, where it represents stability and connection to the world around you. Each ray of light spreads out, grounding you firmly, as if you are standing on a solid foundation, safe and secure. From here, the energy begins to flow throughout your body, carrying calmness and balance. As the light moves to the middle of your body, you sense a surge of creativity and joy. Any blockages or tension dissolve, leaving a pure, open space, ready to embrace positive ideas and emotions. You feel lighter, as if all burdens have been lifted. The light continues to flow upward, bringing confidence and strength. Each breath fuels your inner energy, reminding you that you are capable of creating whatever you desire. This feeling is calm and empowering, a quiet trust in yourself and the journey ahead. As the light spreads throughout your entire being, it merges with every thought and every breath, leaving you feeling whole and harmonious. This is balance, a state where you no longer feel scattered or lost, but instead deeply connected to yourself and the positive energy of the universe. Bask in this feeling, letting the light continue to cradle and uplift you in serenity. When the golden light has fully spread throughout your body, wrapping you in a warm, protective blanket of energy, it is time to release all remaining worries. Imagine you are holding a small sphere in your hands, containing all your desires, hopes, and even your concerns. Gently, you place this sphere into the hands of the universe, a gesture of complete trust and surrender. Feel a profound sense of relief as you let go of every burden, There is no need to control anything anymore. You know that the universe is working on your behalf, orchestrating everything in perfect order. Each breath you inhale brings waves of peace, and each exhale releases a little more. Now, the golden light wraps around you like a soft blanket, shielding you from all concerns. Your body is fully relaxed, gently drifting into a state of deep rest. Let your breath flow naturally, guiding you into a restorative and rejuvenating sleep. During this sleep, the energy of the universe continues to flow through you, bringing prosperity and peace. Allow your mind to rest completely, knowing you are cared for, protected, and loved. When you wake up, you will feel refreshed and ready to embrace all the good that is coming your way. Wishing you a peaceful sleep and abundant dreams.